Hi, I'm Georgie Fletcher, Cosmetic Chemist and trainer here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put together a body clay. We often use clay masks on our face, but we forget about our body, and body products are on trend in 2025, so let me show you how it's done. So this is what we're putting together today. As you can see, it's a nice glossy emulsion. It's long spreading, which comes down to the lipid choices that you'll see me use. So let me show you how it's put together. Okay, so I have here my water phase. To this I have some EDTA, which is a chelating agent, and I'm going to slurry my gum into the glycerin, which is the humectant that I've chosen today. Now I'm using the Solar Gum today AX from Sepik. So I have here some of my lipids. I've got my emulsifier, which is the Montanov 68 MB, also by Sepik. This is a great emulsifier that's high HLB and it will allow for easy wash off. I've also got here some Sensoline Care DD by Hallstar. So this is a really good emollient. It's actually good for sensitive skin. It's also good for transepidermal water loss, and it's non-comedogenic on the skin. It's just a nice light skin feel, and it will spread really easy in a formula. It feels great. I have here my coffee body butter, which smells divine, looks like I could eat it. That one's Biochemica coffee butter from Hallstar. And I'm also going to add to this my caprylic capric triglyceride by DKSH. And we're just going to heat both phases. I'm going to add my lipids into the water phase. So I've chosen these lipids, especially the caprylic capric triglyceride and the Sensoline Care DD, because they are long spreading, which is what we want. We don't want something that drags on the skin when we're trying to cover up a large area like the body. A nice glossy emulsion forming. We're just going to wait for cool down and add our heat sensitive materials. So we can add our materials now. It's under 40 degrees Celsius, which is what you want for the cool down phase. So I've got some preservative, which I'm using the Ixal PE9010, and I've got some mixed tocopherols that I'm going to use, and then I have a fragrance. Now I've chose like a mocha fragrance. And lastly, we have our clay. I've gone for a green clay, but you can choose any color. There's lots of fun colors out there that you can use, but I have chosen this one because green clay is known for its detoxifying properties. Now you could grind this up a little bit more so it made it easier to go in, but a little bit of stirring and it's fine. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So we'll check and adjust the pH. Okay, so I've made this between 5 and 5.5, so it's nice and skin friendly. Then we're going to cover it with some Glad Wrap and evaluate it the next day. So I'm going to show you how this spreads on the skin. You can see it's got a nice long play time. Goes on really well, so you get great coverage easily all over the body. So it'll stay quite moisturized on the skin. It will dry a little bit, but it won't dry where it's cracking. And you can leave that for 10-15 minutes and then wash it off. So my skin feels really fresh. Feels quite invigorated and cooling from the clay. The green clay has the detoxifying effect, but then all the lipids that we used are actually quite nourishing. So it doesn't feel greasy, but it doesn't feel dry. And there you have it. So there you go. That was a really easy body clay to put together. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions below. And don't forget to subscribe to receive any notifications for all our upcoming videos. And remember to email us with the email that you see on the screen for all our free video formulations. Happy formulating!